Hello and welcome back to On the Workbench. Today I've got a really quick tip for you. If you sustain a chipped or cracked windshield in the winter, right now it's January 2023, and I've been waiting for the weather to break before I could fix this. So how did I handle this? Because with snow and winter, the last thing I want is water getting in the crack and making it expand, blow up, and making this and turning a simple repair into a complete windshield glass replacement. So what was the temporary fix? Well, it's clear packing tape. Starting to peel off here right now, but it seals up the hole, keeps the moisture out. Just make sure it's all dry before you put it on. Put on the clear packing tape. Obviously, it's going to take a little more work to clean it up before you can apply your fix, but just a really, really quick tip here for you today. Questions or comments? Go ahead and put it down below. Thanks for watching, and as always, have a great day. Bye.